It's Kevin again with another instructional dollar tutorial video. Today's project is pretty simple, but I really like the design, the symmetry of it. It's winged presidents. This works really well for the $1 bill and the $2 bill. The larger denominations, as they're kind of big and off-centered, the portrait, they don't work as well. But these two work great. Let me set those aside. Grab a new dollar bill. Notice the menagerie of other things that I've got. You can check out my other videos if you'd like. What you do first, start, actually the other side, my bad. Face down, bring a corner up. Like so. And the other corner up, of course. Symmetry. Fold this down right above the N. And you'll just see the top of George's head there. Fold that down and crease it good. Right here where the crease and the line is there, fold that there. And then on the other side too, fold that in. And crease it good. Make a crease down the center. Now this bill already has kind of a crease there. It's one that's been used a few times. But make a good crease right down the center just for reference. And then what you do is you bring that wing over. And you can see your center crease there for reference. Fold that back like this. And make it as straight as you can, lined up with that center crease. And fold this one back along that crease you just made, and fold it along the center backwards like that. So your back of it looks like that. The unit Murica. Crease everything down really good without undoing it. Take these two bottom corners, fold those up to the center, and mash them down good. Take these, both, fold them up to the center so you get a point down at the bottom. And mash everything down good. Turn it over. Crease this up just a little bit on the portrait. And you have just made a winged president. Like I said, an easy fold. I hope that I went slow enough for you. And please subscribe and like, especially subscribe. That really helps me out. Leave some comments if you'd like, and let me know what you think. Again, this is Kevin, and thank you for joining me for this.